Real quick, oil cooler from Four Seasons. Nice. There it is. Looks like this is all the mounting hardware. And a very quick, how do you identify? Awesome sauce. You gotta love it. Now this is for the power steering, which on mine, if it actually worked right, you'd be able to see it. I'm gonna have to get some more light for this. Alright, so this is my oil cooler. Going to the power steering. Now the one that I ordered is slightly different, but I think it'll work. Yeah, it's very small by comparison, but hey, I don't think it's actually necessary to begin with when somebody just kind of threw it in here. Alright, so right here we're going to be working with 8mm bolts, and then on these they're going to be 1/4 inch, and then you're just going to use some pliers on these just to unsnap them real quick. So I'm pretty sure this was beyond aftermarket and probably for a completely different vehicle, but it's only because of all the parts that were added and all the extra hose that was thrown in here. Hopefully you don't have to deal with that. Alright, so there she is. I just used the holes in the back for these clips right here. Pretty much it. Use the same lines, same connections. I just left off the stock ones that were still up there. They doubled them up, don't know why. But it's not leaking, topped off the fluids. Looks good. Let's see if it passes.